the Seminar on Grassland Ecological Conservation and Management in Developing Countries. China actively promotes the Belt and Road Initiative and the Global Development Initiative, continuously strengthening exchanges and cooperation in various fields. As a major measure to implement the Belt and Road Initiative, the China-aided training programs, held by the Ministry of Commerce of the PRC, are of far-reaching significance for practical cooperation between China and other countries. Inner Mongolia Agricultural University, IMAU, the organizer of such training programs, is the earliest established institution of higher education in Inner Mongolia. It is featured by such specialties as agronomy, forestry, and pasture animal husbandry. A multidiscipline university with 8 fields including agronomy, engineering, science, economics, management, humanities, law, and arts. Its cultivation system ranges from bachelor's, master's, and doctor's. The university has joined 5 international alliances of universities including the Agricultural Education, Scientific Research and Innovation Alliance of the Belt and Road and South-South Cooperation. On May 21, 2024, 29 officials and scholars from 5 countries, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Iraq, Afghanistan, and Mongolia, came to Inner Mongolia Agricultural University, participating in a 14-day seminar on grassland ecological protection and management in developing countries. E. Weiman, head of the China-aid training project of IMAU, declared the opening ceremony of the seminar. Several government officials on hand were introduced. Mr. Fu Heping, Dean of the Grassland and Resources and Environment College IMAU. Mr. Run Yinggang, Director of China-aid Training Office of IMAU. Representative of participants of the seminar, Mr. Zasilan Opiev from Uzbekistan. Fu Heping, Dean of the Grassland and Resources and Environment College IMAU, gave a welcoming speech to the participants and briefly introduced the university. He sincerely hoped that the participants seized the chance to explore the places they would visit and communicate with locals, to get knowledge, gain friendship, and enjoy the visit. Mr. Zasilan Opiev from Uzbekistan and Mr. Sinan Abdullah Mohd from Iraq gave speeches on behalf of the participants in the opening ceremony. They expressed their sincere gratitude to the Chinese government for providing training opportunities and thoughtful services. Other participants respectively introduced themselves. MU boasts a strong faculty, sound construction of disciplines, and rich experience in international training. This seminar was undertaken by experts and professors in the related fields from the university, carefully organized on grassland ecological protection and management. The seminar comprehensively and thoroughly explained the characteristics on the topic, discussed with the participants the trend and direction of development of grassland ecological protection and management. The participants attended the lectures and took notes carefully in a strong atmosphere of learning. Through the study, participants got to know the advanced technology and rigorous industrial system of grassland ecological protection and management. The course will lay a good foundation for their future engagement in grassland ecological protection and management. In order to increase the participants' perceptual understanding, the seminar offers some on-site teaching sessions. Participants carefully learned advanced techniques in the field. Participants carefully learned advanced techniques in the field. The participants visited the lab and exhibition hall of the College of Grassland and Resources and Environment. And attended comprehensive lectures. A practice trip to Tsaudu Grass and Husbandry Company, Ltd. in Zilingal, Inner Mongolia. A practice trip to Xilangal, Inner Mongolia for surveys on farmers' income and household industrial structure, as well as household interviews. A practice trip to grassland station in Xilangal for mine area vegetation restoration. To conduct professional practice at the Inner Mongolia University Grassland Ecology Research Base in Zilonhot City on topics of grassland dynamic monitoring and degraded grassland ecological restoration. A trip to the base of the Institute of Plant Protection, Chinese Academy of Sciences, for professional practice on grassland pest control technology system. They experienced the Mengyuan culture of Baizimyo Temple. Experiencing the culture of the Dazhao Temple in Hohot, and visited the old street of the frontier. Through those visits and experiences, participants had a full understanding of the working mechanism of the Chinese government on grassland ecological protection and management. They learned a lot of knowledge and skills in this field. Exchanges of insights and accomplishments. The participants were keen on the experience and understanding of the colorful ethnic culture of China. To satisfy the participants' eagerness, a series of cultural experience activities had been arranged. The participants visited Beijing and toured the Forbidden City, the Great Wall, Tiananmen Square, and other famous places of interest. A practice trip to Green Jinghua Landscape Limited Liability Company in Beijing. A practice trip to Mushin village to experience local custom. A practice trip to Daebanong Technology Group Company, Limited for the forage technology. When the participants saw the Great Wall, wavy and winding, they could not help but marvel at China's long history of 5,000 years old and splendid culture. The participants enjoyed themselves during the tour. Learning about Chinese history and culture. Unforgettable days passed quickly. The participants gained valuable knowledge on technology and skills at IMAU. And deepen their mutual understanding and enforce their friendship. At the same time, the participants tasted delicious Chinese food. Let us build bridges of friendship together. Promoting our acquaintanceship and cooperation among countries. Let us redouble our exertion to make a bright future.